students. Good morning. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, the treasure within. Miss Bela Raja. Miss Bela Raja is the writer of the lesson, the treasure within. Let's know about the summary of the lesson, the treasure within. Every child is capable of doing big things. He can become a hero in the area of his interest. What is needed most is to discover his talent or aptitude. Hafiz is a living example of such a hero. Hafiz contractor is today's India's leading architect, but he was unhappy and careless at school. He loved doing things and hated mechanical learning. He used to have terrible dreams about appearing for a maths examination in which he knew nothing at all. When he reached the third standard, he lost interest in studies. He took interest in games and playing practical jokes on others. He passed all the school exams by using unfair means. But later, one sentence spoken to him by his principal changed his life. He was in the 11th standard then. The principal said that Hafiz was a good student but had little interest in studies. The principal had taken care of him till the day, but now he could no longer take care of him. He should study hard. Only sports won't take him far. He took his final examination. He could never get more than second class. No doubt he was pulled by his teachers at school. He received a caning every week for not doing homework or for his bad behavior. Let's see. Caning did hurt him badly, but he forgot about it soon when he was in playground. So whenever he should be on a playground, he forgot the beatings given by the teacher by cane stick. Okay. Every Saturday he went to see a movie. He was the leader of a gang of boys and took part in going fights. He used to open his textbooks only on the day just before exams. Just before the exams he used to open. How then he could become an architect? Hafiz told the interviewer that he wanted to join the army or the police force. But his mother told him to do his graduation first. So he joined Jai Hind College in Bombay. There he studied French for 7 years without learning anything. He later learnt this language from his cousin, an architect's wife. His cousin known as an architect's wife. Okay. It so happened that Hafiz saw somebody drawing a window detail. He told the man that the window won't open. The window won't open. Okay. He had a bet and he won it. His cousin's husband asked him to design a house and he did it. He then asked Hafiz to join architecture. And Hafiz got first position in the entrance test in that college of architecture. He thinks that all his qualities grew from what he used to play and do during school time. He admitted frankly that he was bad at languages. He was also poor in maths. Gifted boys are said to be poor in learning. Class toppers often do very ordinarily later on. He himself could sketch on the spot. He judged the test of a client from his way of talking and eating. Hafiz always hated maths, but now as an architect he loves that subject. This is all about Mr. Hafiz the contractor, the treasure within. Let's know the word meaning or vocabulary. Treasure, wealth. Potential, possibility, achiever, successful, conversation, to talk, detested, hated, nightmare, fearful dream, sight, mind, gotten over, won over, memories, remembrances, pranks, practical jokes, copy, use unfair means, get hold of, obtain, take care of, bring up, normally, usually, rise to the occasion, improve, succeeded, pull up, punish or scold, caning, beating with cane, incurred the wrath, rose of the anger, insecure, unsafe, treated in danger, distraction, something pleasing and amusing, movie, film, eat to my heart's content, eat my fill, gang, group, strategies, plan of action, academics, bookish knowledge, stumbled on, discover by chance, offbeat, unusual or unconventional, pranks, mischievous activities, practical jokes, story up, destroyed, architect, designer of building, one who draws sketch of house, advanced, improved, ammunition, armament, bullets, etc. Sketches, drawings, cope with, to manage or handle. What did Hafiz contractor have nightmare about? A nightmare is a battling or haunting fear. Hafiz had nightmare about mathematics examination. What did the principal say to him when influenced him deeply? Answer. The principal told Hafiz that he was a good student but he never studied. His mother had worked hard to bring him up. It was the time now to rise to the occasion and study. Dash that year I did not step out into the field. What was he busy doing that year? He was busy studying books that year. What distraction did Hafiz contractor create one day? For one whole hour, he, along with his friends, played chore police. Would you have liked to participate in the distraction had you been with him? I would have avoided such distraction for fear of the teacher. Moreover, it is completely a wastage of time. Question next. It is likely that someone who is original and intelligent does not do very well at school. Should such a learner be called a failure? If not, why not? A learner who is original and intelligent may appear to be a failure at school, but the chances of his doing well in the later life are bright. Who in your view is an unusual learner? An unusual learner can be a genius in any subject. He will be different from the rest. What can schools do to draw out the best in the unusual learners? Suggest whatever seems reasonable to you. Schools should stop treating all the learners as ordinary. They should not follow old mechanical methods of teaching. They should try to discover the hidden talent in each learner and encourage him to do his best developing it. Question next. What does the title of the lesson, The Treasure Within, mean and highlight? The treasure within refers to the hidden talent of every child who has his own style of learning and area of interest. Not every topper in academics becomes an achiever in life. Every child can achieve greatness in his area of interest. Who is Hafiz contractor? What does he tell about himself to his interview? How does he find his calling? Hafiz contractor is a leading architect in India at present. In his interview, he traces the story of his childhood and school days. He had little interest in studies. He passed the annual examinations by copying. He used to be a good sportsman, but his cousin's husband once noted his hidden talent and told him to become an architect. Mr. Hafiz at school was more interested in other things than his books. How does he support this statement? At school, he used to be interested in games and playing jokes. He was a good sportsman, the cricket captain. He used to copy in class during exam times. Maths was a terror for him. Though he did badly in school, he was good at designing. The skill helped him become an architect. How does Hafiz gives to his client the kind of structure he wants? Hafiz is a good at drawing the design of a house on the spot. He looks at the client's face and the way he talks to know what his taste would be like. Then he sketches on the spot and gives it to his client in the office. Do you agree with Hafiz that learning disabilities do not go hand in hand? There is a general belief that the genius usually do not shine in studies. Those who always stand first or second do very ordinary jobs later on. Personality and skills ultimately decide the career of boys. How did the principal's words influence Hafiz's contractor? The principal was a sensible man. He had been seeing Hafiz from day one. He thought it as his duty to guard him on right time. So, when Hafiz approached his 11th standard, he called him and told him that he was a good student, but he never studied. He had lost his father and his poor mother had worked hard to bring him up and pay his fees. It was the time now to rise the occasion and study. These words of the principal influenced Hafiz deeply. He forgot games that year and studied day and night. As a result, he got a second class, 50% in the SSC. His principal was very happy because he had got 50% on his own. The last part of the Hafiz contractor, the trader. Let's know about the answering sentence. Okay. A Hafiz contractor wanted to join the police force. Why didn't he? Answer. Hafiz wanted to join the police force, but his mother advised him to do his graduation first. So he joined Jai Hind College in Mumbai. Okay. In the architect's office, Hafiz contractor was advised to drop everything and join architecture. Why? It happened quite by chance. One day he saw somebody drawing a window design. He pointed out that the drawing was wrong and the window would not open, and he was proved right. His cousin's husband was surprised. He asked him to design a house and he did that. After that, he told Hafiz to leave everything and join architecture. What was Mr. Gupta's advice to Hafiz contractor? When he was in the second or third standard, one of his teachers, Mrs. Gupta, saw his sketches and advised him to become an architect when he grew up. What made her advise him so? She advised him so on seeing his fine sketches. How did he help fellow students who had lost a button? When a fellow student lost a button while playing or fighting, Hafiz would cut a button for him from chalk using a blade. Then, which rules did he break as a schoolboy? As a schoolboy, he never studied until his 11th class. He always copied to pass the examinations. What is Hafiz Contractor's definition of mathematics? According to Hafiz Contractor, maths is a combination of putting designs, construction, psychology and sociology together and making sketch from all that. I would have avoided, how would you want to define mathematics? Do you like the subject? Mathematics is the best branch of science, but it is a bit difficult to be good in this subject. However, I like this subject. So this is all about Hafiz Contractor, that is the Treasure Within, written by Miss Bela Raja. I hope everyone has understood this lesson carefully. Please go home, read the lesson, also refer the word meanings and notes, okay, and try to update yourself so that we can see in the next class. See you then. Bye bye.